Leslie's gonna feed him. Just do it, like get really close. Oh, you're the most steady, man. I slip out.
My best friend, ladies and gentlemen. Lawnmower. I don't know how to do the lawnmower.
Timmy, you're a good dancer. You are.
What I found.
Shush, girl.
No, it really doesn't have
Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips.
Use that for a screensaver.
Welcome to Tiffany's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken, sauteed onions, and fried raviolis.
You sound like Rob.
We are making dinner. Hey!
Hello.
Hey, let's see how gorgeous you look, Beth.
Hello.
Hello.
Let's see how gorgeous you look.
You look great.
Shut up.
Hey.
I'm not ready yet because I don't want to get crap on my clothes.
That's okay.
Yeah. What time?
This kitchen is amazing.
Pandemonium.
Stuff around my mouth. There's either water or Kahlua or drool or something. And now I gotta lay in that. And what's that? Water. On my leg from my hand. Ow! I got my hair cut because I put hairspray in my hair. Did you guys have fun here?
Yeah.
I was worried you wouldn't have fun.
We had lots of fun.
I don't know.
Especially now. You're tons of fun.
Looky, it's a face in my glass. Look, it's undecided. It's kind of sad now. Here, look up, happy. Oh. Now it's another different kind of face. Ice cubes are crazy.
Where's the climax? Hey, buddy, I love you too. What are you doing? Oh, okay.
I don't want the paparazzi to know. Get that out of here.